Okay, for some reason it keeps wanting to cut the video off, but anyways, in the back here, I got black tape. Of course, this is the more expensive black tape for some reason. There's a couple of rolls down in there. I keep sandpaper, a scrubbing pad. It's my electrical meter there. Basically, it's an amp clamp is what I call it. And that's because, as you can see, you can clamp it on, spin it around, and it'll tell you the amps, volts, if I can see the things on the camera here, ohms, capacitance. It even got the little temperature thing, which I hate. But anyways, really nice setup. Anyways, the probes, they plug into the bottom of it, which they're down in this little pack here. As you can see, they're just wires. But what's cool about this is I have the ones that have the alligator clips, which are right here. That way you can clip it on and still use the meter. This one right here, the black one's missing, and of course I've beat this up. But I use this for like inverted systems, mini splits, just different stuff. As you can tell, that thing has a really fine tip on it. But it keeps anything from getting arced when you're messing with like DC voltage on some of these systems. Alright, back to it. Hopefully it ain't cutting me off again. I got a couple tape measures in here for some reason. I don't know why. I keep 2 of them. I actually keep a whole variety of different wire nuts because you never know what size you're going to need. I work on a lot of different things, so it's just good to have a variety. Even some of the big blue, like gigantic blue ones, it helps to have. These are PVC cutters. This one is just a cheaper one. It's really simple. You know, just put it on PVC. Just, you know, cut it. Really simple. I like this one because it ratchets. So when you get that 1-inch PVC, it's a little bit tough. This stuff will do right for you. Now you don't have to go with one of these big heavy service bags. I zipped everything up. That's pretty much all of it. But I went with this one because, you know, I like to be able to pull the bag, and it's got wheels on the very bottom. But also, if you take this and open it, it's got book bag straps. It's where you can turn it into a book bag. There. As you can see, I didn't strap it up or nothing, but I like using it as a book bag because it helps me when I got to climb an extension ladder, you know, or up the side of a building 100 feet so I can get onto the roof. But anyways, just some more jumper wires, different amps on the poppers there. Just look on your board there and it'll tell you what amp it needs to be. If you put a bigger one in it, you're probably going to fry your board. So just know what you're doing when you use those.